and manje nalo ukholo lolu wena mfethu siqabanga ukuthi siyalazi sibe singali-understand.
What are you saying, brother? Ukuthini?
Ngamanye amagama, in short wena mfethu kunabantu abaningi ngaphandle ake ngibekise incwadi abayifundayo bafunde le bhuku lebizwa ngokuthi mhlawumbe iBhayibheli njengoba sonke silijwayele. Wami uma sikhuluma iqiniso mina ngafuna ukukuchallengeela bathi upastor angazi ubishop wakho aphethe ama-emplet angazi itazi esisuka la up until la ihlomba uthiyami. As long as afunda iBhayibheli kimi ngimthatha njengomntana ase-crash. They don't know anything about uNkulunkulu. Number one, namhlanje if you want to know the true meaning of God and the true ways of living uNkulunkulu, you just have to look around ubheke izinto ezenzakalayo. So you know, by saying so ngichaza ukuthi lezi zinto ezenzakalayo angeke uzibone nje but sitsheliwe zona njengaseBhayibhelini. Kukhona la kuthiwa khona ngasekugcineni uyobona ngisho ingane noma ubaba noma umama enengane, either way vice versa bavukela omunye kanye nemibuso iyakuvukela, which is what is happening today. In short, mina lokho kwenzakale kimi wona mfethu ukuthi iNeden iforced ukungilwisa ngale ndlela ngilwise ngakhona, aforced ukucreate i-hatred enganeni ukuthi ngizonde ingangizonde, or aforced kwenza zonke lezi zinto lezo kudibane nokuthi ngapha abokhada bangangizwisisa angazi kwenzakalani ngisho nasemakhodi ngilokhu ngirana up and down. In short wena mfethu mina lokho ngiyakubona ukuthi vele kwenzeka phambi kwamehlo ami yiloko kufanele kwenzakala. Ku-understandwa yimi kuphela ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi mina lo nkulunkulu engimkhonzayo akusilo uNkulunkulu lo bambiza or umbiza uhlanganise nenye into njengalabantu for instance abafunda iBhayibheli, that book of Babylon, I think probably maybe into efana nale. That book was even written by omunye umuntu. That guy King James was even gay. Umungenza enough research uyangithola wena mfethu. That is why ngithi I can challenge you abantu abakhulu abaqabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu labamkhonzayo uye yena and bambiza ngokunye. Uyabona nje uJesu umama wakhe siyamazi sonke, umama Maria angisho namhlanje abantu babiza uJesu ngoNkulunkulu. eBhayibhelini akukho la ukuthi uJesu khona bizani mina ngoNkulunkulu, and akukho la uthola incwadi ebhale ukuthi ngokukaJesu njengoba lapha sizwa ngalama hearsays amajita boMateyu boMarko bakhuluma amanga bezwa ama hearsays. Paul